When it comes to power, we understand it takes unstoppable energy to propel limitless dreams. With over 7 decades of experience, we have engineered power generating sets that are better, smarter, and eco-friendly. In our quest to partner nature, we have pushed innovation even further. While nature offers multiple sources of fuel, our customers also have varied demands and evolving needs. Today, we harness nature's resources to engineer a new age power solution. Introducing the Kirloskar gas generator set. Made by the world's largest and most trusted power generating set manufacturers. Powered by piped natural gas technology, these gas generators are fuel flexible, running efficiently on PNG. Built to ensure continuous operations, these robust generators can work even in extreme cold. These generators don't just comply with the Central Pollution Control Board standards, they surpass them. IoT-enabled, you can monitor the generator's performance in real time from just about anywhere. In our journey into the future, we leave nothing behind. We offer dual fuel kits that can be retrofitted on high-speed diesel generators. We back up your power backup with Kirloskar Care. Our service network spans the country, offering assistance 24/7. Like all things we build, we keep safety at the forefront of our design. Safety of the environment, safety of the facility, and safety of the product. At Kirloskar Oil Engines, we believe in the freedom to choose. Because only when you have the power to choose can the world be limitless.